Let's say you've created a webinar registration form in Porsline, and you want the registration team to be notified about each new submission without needing access to the results table. In a customer satisfaction form, the support team should instantly know if someone submits a negative review so they can follow up quickly. Or maybe, in an order form, you want the order details to be automatically sent as a message to a messaging app, so a person, group, or channel gets notified immediately without checking the dashboard. The same goes for a service request form. Once it's submitted, the relevant group or channel should be informed right away. You can enable messaging app notifications for all these cases, and many more. In Porsline's Pro and Enterprise plans, this feature allows the form creator to instantly notify themselves or a group or channel via Telegram when a new response is submitted. To set it up, go to the Settings tab, click Notifications, select Messaging App Notifications, and follow the setup instructions on screen. If you want to receive Telegram notifications personally, just open the PorslineBot chat, click the Start button, copy the key provided, and send it as a message to the bot. Then click the Update button and select yourself, your Telegram username, as the recipient. If you'd rather notify a Telegram group or channel, just add the bot to that group or channel. Remember, if it's a channel, the bot needs admin access. Then copy the key, send it as a message to the bot, click Update, and select the group or channel as the recipient. Both the message title and message body are fully editable. You can type OBARF in either field to insert any variable or question from the form. If you need to edit an existing messaging app setup, click the three dots next to it and make your changes. To add a new recipient, use the Recipients drop-down and click Add New Recipient, then follow the instructions like before. More messaging apps will be added to this feature soon. In the Pro plan, you can define up to 2 messaging app notifications. In the Enterprise plan, there's no limit. You can create as many as you need. Need help getting started? Our support team is always here to assist you.